Let's get started. It's ready. Now the farm is. The green tractor is here bringing some cattle. Let's put them in the animal pen. Here they are. Next, we're going to add some horses to the farm. Here they are. Let's take the horses out of the trailer. We're going to put the horses in the stable. Here's a tractor again, bringing some animals. Let's see what we have here. Duck. We have a turkey. Ducklings. Here's the green tractor again, bringing some animals. Here's an animal pen. Goose. Chicks or baby chickens. Rooster. Hen. Sheep. Goat. For the pigs. Time to feed the animals. Let's help the farmer. Let's get donkey, some food from the silo for the and a pony. Now it's time. We also have some cattle. Bale for the cattle. Here's a hay and here's some hay for the pony and donkey horses. Apples, lettuce, carrots for the pigs, sheep and goat. And here's some water for the animals. And some grains for the rest of the animals. And lastly, let's add some people to the farm.